for this workflow, we can scrape Google Map reviews based on place name and the location. To set place name, we have to set in here. For this one, I have selected United States, and this is size 2 CVS Florida. But for the demonstration, I will use RR, and for the query, I will use Burj Khalifa. Khalifa, and okay, I will set that. And so for the search location, I am using the geoscraper, and I'll include the token now. So for this demonstration, I'll be using a geoscraper token. I'll show it to you as well. Geoscraper. Hello, this is we have the enterprise package to show that what can API do. So it came with the unlimited API query, so it doesn't cost you anything rather than the package. And for this demonstration, I will be using this token, and also we have to select the token here too. We can say we can test this workflow now. So I'll remove the first. I'll remove the mock data. Otherwise, it won't generate. And sorry about the mock data. This I use these to test the workflow before I give it to you. And once I remove the mock data, you can test this workflow. So first, geoscraper will search the Burj Khalifa that on the Arab, and can also see that Burj Khalifa this address, and I have placed a limit. So first item is the Burj Khalifa, and now as you can see, we are getting the reviews from Burj Khalifa. So I think there are a lot of reviews, and so this process takes some time. I'll show the Google Sheet that we are getting the data live. Okay, this is the data, and okay, so as you can see, it's updating, and so you can run it on the schedule, and you can run it on like I do. You can use the manual method to extract the reviews from Google Map. So also you can do this for the multiple locations, same as this, but you have to set an array of place names. That's the only change. So this is the Google Map review scraping using n8n, and thank you for watching.